Hey guys, welcome back. I know I didn't know what to do with my hands there. Anyway, I kind of have a small announcement that I'm thinking of doing. So in my last video I mentioned I kind of wanted to do maybe a mini blog when we go on vacation, and I'm not sure how everyone feels about that. If that's something you'd be interested in, you can comment that down below. But the other mini announcement I'm making is that I'm going to do a Shein haul because we did our family vacation for spring break, and then we're gonna do my honey and I's vacation at the end of May. So I'm gonna do a Shein haul because I love their stuff. But it's always a hit and miss, so I thought it'd just be fun. Like, it's something I ordered anyway, and I thought, why not make a video about it? So if that's something you're interested in, let me know. I will probably play around with that and see if I can. It depends on, you know, my camera angles, my fatness, my flubber, all of those things. But I am going to give it a shot. I'm going to record that, see what I could do with a little bit of editing because I'm not the greatest editor. Anyway, so that'll be coming, stay tuned. But today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for $24.99 or $25 a month. You get, is it 5 full-sized items, possibly 6, I believe it's 5. I don't know, I've been on vacation, my brain is like trying to catch up. I've had coffee, no food, so here we go. Alrighty, and I don't even remember what I chose, what I didn't choose. So here we, oh yeah, I forgot I got this time too, the refreshments. So 2 unbaggings, woohoo! So you always get this cool little bag. This has to do with the theme this month is International Women's Day. So very cute bag. Oh, I do remember now. So I remember I picked this set of brushes because y'all know, I know I don't use y'all, but I got excited, coffee, caffeine, but y'all know I love me some brushes and some tools. Like, come on, man, come on. This is what we do on this channel. Oh, these look nice and sturdy, very beautiful pink color. I don't know if it's quite a rose gold at the top, but very pretty pink color. Oh yeah, very sturdy. Look at that. Oh yeah. See, I don't like flimsy brushes, and I don't like to use the word dense because to me it doesn't click. To me it's like, is it flimsy or not? That's what I want to know, and no, they are not. I believe they will work very well. Oh yeah, this is a win for me in my book. I'm sure, like I'm super duper sure this is already over the $25 mark. Let's see if we have the card. Well, Sunny Beaches, I forgot the card doesn't tell us the prices, so I will do my further research and put that over her. And yeah, let's go ahead and keep on keeping on. Right? Alright. Oopsie. Okay, next in the bag is Pixie Skin Treats Clarity Lotion. Let's give that a whirl. Alright, what's Clarity Lotion? Highlighting light lotion. Oil-free boost hydration while minimizing the appearance of pores and keeping complexion shine-free. Very nice. You know what? It's got the tin, so you can roll it down as you go to get it out. And you got the little like plucker thing to open it, which is weird because there's a seal on it. So let's see what this is all about, huh? Well, that's weird. And of course it's gonna poop on me. So yeah, it's doing that thing that it does when you open it. Okay, let's go ahead and put that on the skin. Let's wipe that off. Okay. Ah, it's still pooping. Okay. Very light, clean scent, which is good for thy migraines. Nice, creamy texture. Does not feel oily. Oh, that feels good. I want to say a teeny bit of a gel texture in there, which makes me feel like it's gonna, you know, when you rub it in too much on your skin, then it like starts pilling up or like, you know, rolling up like glue or something. That's my only thing with that one. So anyway, glad to give it a try. It does feel good on thy skin. I will put the pricing over her, and let's get on to the next. Let's keep on keeping on, man. Alrighty, so we've got Florence by Mills Glow Yeah Lip Oil. I believe this was a choice item. And oops, I didn't show you the package. And here's the tube. I'm not really much for lip oils, but let's go ahead and see. It's pooping just a little bit. There it is. Let's put it on the skin. Give it the old snifferoo. No scent at all. There's that gel. Oh, it's, you know what? It's not sticky at all. You would think it's sticky, but it's really not. I know. I put them. It does feel very, very moisturizing. I like that. Okay. Again, I will put the pricing somewhere here. See, I'm pointing so I know when I edit that that's where I do it at. Cheater, pumpkin eater, I know. Alrighty, let's go, let's go, let's go. What do I want to pull out next? Okay, we've got a Complex Culture Good Lighting Highlighter Duo. I do believe I chose this. This is a good brand. I have had luck with it in the past. They do, oops, I don't know why you can't see that. So I've had this in the past, other products. They've all been very good. I've never had any complaints or issues. Very beautiful things. So it comes in the little case. I believe I have the blush, and this is the highlighter. Okay, you have your mirror here, and here are thy colors. And let's see, so this one looks more of a bronzy, and then we got that highlighting shimmer. We will try to get the camera to do the best it can. Beautiful colors. We will put that on thy skin. Ooh, very, very nice golden. Very good swatches. Beautiful colors. So let me know what you think about this guy here. I liked it. We'll give it a whirl. Again, I'll put the pricing here. Alrighty. I can't put it back in the box. Okay, last but definitely, certainly not least, is this guy here. This is the Plum Promotion Belle in Argent. I don't know if I'm even saying all of that right, but there's that in this cute little shiny packaging. I do believe I got to choose this as well. So let's see what this gorgeous, I think this was really pretty. So let's go ahead and see what it's all about. There we go. Oh yeah, look at how pretty this packaging is. Might blind you, so yeah, oop. Okay. Oh yeah, look at this. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. We gotta do the shimmers. Ooh, so we got like, oh, those swatched well. Look at that. Swatched really well, this one right here. So let's go ahead and put that on. Ooh. Very nice. Swatched very gorgeous. Ooh wee. Oh my. Okay, now we're gonna do, let's do like this satin and a matte. And we're gonna do like a mauve, both the mauve-y colors, okay? Ooh, gorgeous. Look at that. Let's see. Gorgeous. All right, let's swatch those little Roonies. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. The camera is not gonna do this color right here justice. Oh, let me see how close I can get that up. Oh my God. It is beautiful because it like has this shimmer glow in it. Like I don't even know if it's gonna catch that on camera. But beautiful, beautiful, beautiful swatches. Okay, so let's do the recap on this bag, which will be, we got the brushes, we got the makeup palette, or eyeshadow palette, we got the highlighting duo, we got the lip, and the face lotion. So I think this was a good bag. I know I never really complain about my bags. I'm sorry. I get excited about all of it. I'm just a happy-go-lucky person. Like I just try to see the positive things and blase, blase, blase. All right, I like this again, like in my last video, everything in here you can put, goes together, and I love that because you got the brushes for the eyeshadow palette, you got the highlighter for highlighting your face, you got the lip oil, and of course you can prep your skin with the lotion. So pretty much got a little of everything to make your application much smoother, and of course you get the cool bag. So let me know what you thought. I'm gonna wrap this one up really quick because we got to open refreshments today. So what I got, so this was $6 for me. There was a promotion going on that you get the starter kit for free. What refreshments is it is beauty products, like, you know, like shower products, things you can use in the shower, or, you know, like to get ready for the day kind of a thing. This is the first time I'm getting it. I never really signed up for it. Looks like you get this cute little pamphlet here. You're invited to a party for one. Got all this information that we can read later. This kit was free, so it is the Luxe 5-blade razor kit. It was free. I don't really remember. I'll have to see if I find the info on it. But you get the razor. You get 2 refills, right? Oh, so the razors are 5-bladed, but you get 2 razors. So I guess really you just get 1 refill because you're going to use 1. And then you get this cute little thing to stick onto your shower wall to hold the razor. So that was really cute. I like that idea. I'm gonna give this a try because I do usually, like, I am picky about my razors. I usually use Min's because I feel like they know what they're doing. Like, it's just so much smoother and softer. So, like, I know it sounds crazy, but more gentle and gets the job done. So we will see how these work. I will probably do follow-ups on my Instagram about it. The other thing, so this is what actually cost me $6, was because I wanted to try this pillow shaving cream. It sounded amazing, like pillow shave cream with a citrus spritz. Like, that sounds like refreshing for the morning, right? When you're getting ready. So let's go ahead and we'll do a sniff test. So of course you got the seal. Let's go ahead and pull this puppy up. And let's put it on thy skin. Oh, I love it already. Okay, let's see. I don't, whoops, let me wipe my arm a little here. Okay, definitely does have a pillowy texture. Let's go ahead. Oh yeah, that's a nice shave cream. Like, it's very shave creamish for being out of like a bottle instead of like the can. But oh yeah, it has a very light scent. It's very good. Oh yeah, smells very citrusy, more like on the lime side, but very good. Oh, I like it. So I can't wait to try that out. So I guess for, you know, for, I believe it's like $12 a month. They do auto refills, so you know they kind of give you a guide on, you know, how often do you shave, how often do you this or that, and then they tell you, you know, you should refill, you know, once a month. You should refill this every 2 months, kind of a deal. I just got this to give it a try. I don't know if I'll keep getting it, but for $6 I got these 2 items. I believe it's actually $12 though. This promotion for the free razors might be over. I'll double check. So anyway, let me know what you thought about both bags, about the glam bag and also the refreshments. So anyway, I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!